steady. There's a lot going on there that I haven't recorded, so. Can I have my window up, please? Okay, I've got to start 50, 10 left, 100, long 8 left. We're on Cygnet, aren't we? Yep. Okay, 10 left, 100, long 8 left, 120, then 3 right into 4 left, 3 right into 4 left, 100. Two right into long 7 left, tightens a bit, 120. Yeah, this is 7, tightens a bit. Yeah, then you've got your long 10 left, 170. 7 right at end, 120. 7 right, yep. Then 3 right. Then 7 left, tightens to 6, 80. This one tightens quite a bit, tightens to 6. Yep. 6 left, 80. 6 left, opens. Long 7 left into 6 right. 70, 7 right, 170. 7 left at end. Opens, 80. There's gravel on this one too, I think. Oh, sorry. Hug 7 right, then short 8 left, 60. Short 8 left, then 7 left plus into crest straight, 80. Short 8 left at end pole, 250, short 8 left. Then caution, short 9 right at sign, immediate 6 left. 9 left, 9 right, and then immediate 6 left, 200. Turn 3 right at T junction. Steady through here. Lots of gravel. Into crest straight, 40. Short 10 left on crest, 180. Care, hug 7 left into 5 right, 7 left into 5 right, into 10 left, 60. 10 right on crest, 90. 9 right, 100. Short 9 right on crest, 120. Crest straight, 80. 10 left at 2 poles, 100. 7 left at end. 7 left plus at end. 220. Big crest straight at end, 400. Crest straight, brake at street sign, 170. Brake at street sign. Then care, crest into hug 8 left. Care into hug 8 left, into 6 right. Into 8 left on crest, 100. Crest straight, 80. Long 9 right, 280. Long 9 right, steady through here. Yep, crest straight, 120. Now extreme caution, they're saying. Dip, 80. Don't need air. Caution, crest into turn 2 right at T junction before the signs. You just want air. 6 left plus 80. 7 right, tightens to 6 plus. 7 right, tightens to 6. Oh, 10 right on crest. 9 left 40. 10 right on crest, 90. Yep. Hug, no, short 6 left, sorry. 8 right, 120. And then short 9 left into dip. This could be the caution corner coming up. Hug 7 left into bumpy. Yeah, that's the one. Long 8 right, tightens a bit. Hug 9 right on crest, 150. Caution, 10 left at yellow sign into 4. 4 left. Into 7 right, tightens to 6, 90. 7 left at wall. Into long 6 right on crest, tightens. Long 6 right on crest. Tightens to 5, hug 5 right into 2 left. Then hug 7 right on crest, 40. 6 left plus, into into long 9 right, tightens a bit. 9 right, tightens a bit, 50. Hug 7 left. Hug 7 left into hug 8 right. Into crest straight 100. Hug 8 right on crest 80. 8 right. Keep 6 left. Danger, danger, danger. Long 8 right, tightens to 5 after pole. This is a tight one. 8 tightens to 5 after pole. Yep. 7 left 40. 3 left. Then 7 right, tightens to 6. Then hug 8 right, opens over crest 80. 9 right 100. Short 8 left into 10 right 90. 8 left at end. 8 left. Kink. Hug 8 right at end. Into 8 left 150. 8 left. Yep, watch the gravel. Long 10 right into 10 left. That's your 10 right. Then 10 left 150. 10 right 80. 10 left 90. Caution, caution. 9 right tightens to hug 6. Into 5 left. Into 8 right 80. Keep right over crest into 7 left plus 50. 7 left plus 50. 9 right 70. Hug 7 right plus into 5 left. 8 right, flying finish. 10 left, yep, flying finish 50. 7 right. Whew. Cool. Oh no. 13:05.